and have come out clearly to decline to serve in the Edo State PDP Governorship Campaign Council. My decision is rested on how I feel the members of PDP were badly treated after the re-election of Godwin Obaseki. Until I see concrete steps taken by the PDP government in Edo State to address all those issues that were raised in the course of our campaigns, the promises we made to Edo people, until I see concrete steps in government part to fulfill them, I will not be able to face anybody to say vote PDP at the next election. You see, if they can treat you the way they treated you, you can imagine what it will be if we have to allow them to continue. I can see pains in the faces of our people. I can see anger in the faces of our members. And I cannot pretend to say all is well. I make bold to say here today, in Edo State PDP, all is not well.
That enough is enough. That all the atrocities that have been done to the legacy members of the PDP, that we cannot take it any longer. All the atrocities that have been done, unless the PDP decides to do the right thing, we are giving them just few days. It's a matter of few days. This is a yellow card. And if the PDP refuses to do the right thing for the interest of the generality of PDP, they will hear from us in a short while.
But what we have in Edo State just now is that it has been micromanaged and become a corporate entity under the rulership of one man. This we detest, and so we are resisting it by all means necessary. That enough is enough. We can no longer proceed in that manner. We must reverse PDP back to where it should be. This is the deadline, where PDP can no longer continue the way it is.
That you know that legacy PDP is the foundation of PDP in Edo State. That in 2020, when we were out supporting our governor, Governor Obaseki, for second tenure, remember? Yes, so he told us, he taught us and told us that Edo not be Lagos. You remember? We were singing Edo not be Lagos. Edo not be Lagos. This morning, I saw on social media, some people posted and reminded us that the governor told us that Edo not be Lagos. Unfortunately today, 4 years down the line, the governor went to the same Lagos to go and bring candidates to come and sustain him. Are we going to go to Lagos? We must stand by it. Edo not be Lagos. If I say Edo not be Lagos, Governor Obaseki taught us Edo not be Lagos. He will not go to Lagos to go and bring the candidate for us.
Today, we have decided that only one boy that we know that will be governor of Edo State. You already know that Edo not be Lagos. That one will be home boy. Somebody that comes here and bring interpreter, is he a home boy? No. So if that one is minus, that means we will look for another home boy. We will look for another home boy.